So how do we know when to trade? Well, we only like to trade when price is past the ignition point, when market makers have stopped fighting and finally decide to move price in a particular direction. Knowing the fundamentals of building a strong watch list is really important, but knowing when these stocks are at a key point and about to gain momentum is even more important. For example, you could have gambled on AMD earnings on 5/2, buying the stock knowing you were investing in a top performing asset. But only one day later, a $10,000 investment would have only been worth $9,077, over a 9% loss, likely stopping you out of your trade only to watch it rebound in the coming days. Using the momentum options trading system, however, you would have known to buy just 2 days later on 5/4 when we got the buy signal. Now, just 2 months later, after that signal, a $10,000 investment would have made you, or would be worth $14,423, more than a 44% gain since the signal. And as you can see, this ticker gave us another chance to reinvest profits only a couple of weeks later. And as AMD moved to these swing targets, we were again rewarded with additional opportunities to reinvest our profits intraday and keep that capital growing using this powerful asset. So as you can see, knowing the what is really important, but when is even more important. Top performing assets rotate in and out of leading positions. As you can see here, all of these stocks signal on different days, meaning they get going. They offer the profitable entry at different times. They're offering different trades, different chances to profit on different days, and you need to know which ones are leading on each day. So investors who got in when our program signaled certainly didn't hear about it on the news. Actually, during this time, news was worrying investors over a looming debt ceiling crisis and potential impending recession. And by the time the news announced anything favorable, it was already time to take profit from most of these stocks. As you can see, on 6/5, the S&P enters bull market territory just as sellers show up to take profit. Even better, using our strategy, you don't have to guess which top performing assets are in the best conditions for trading and likely to give you profitable signals. That's what our scanners are for. So, what is the ignition point? Well, before any big move, there is a unique set of conditions and parameters that always appear before price makes a big run up or down. This is the point in time in which all institutional traders are beginning or have agreed that price needs to move in a particular direction. Now, my bullish and bearish scanners analyze assets from our watch list to let us know when absolutely everything is lined up and market makers agree that price is ready to move, so that we know to pay attention and wait for profitable trading signals. So all we have to do is stay focused on the stocks that are past that ignition point, enter when we get signals from our programs, and then follow that momentum into big profits. So as buyers, we only want to trade directionally when an asset is in the right conditions for price to move in our favor. And we only want to enter those trades when something is happening. Either we're exiting an overbought or oversold condition and resuming a trend for a high probability reversal, or everything is lined up across all time frames and maybe a support and resistance level is breaking and we expect price to continue in that direction. A very good tip for profitable trading is to really understand patience in the market pays. It's really important that you sit on your hands until you see something obvious. This will absolutely lead to better results. Don't trade for the sake of trading. Only trade to make money. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and press follow to subscribe and see more.